dear students of class 10. Today we are going to learn how to solve type 2 numericals of mole concept. These numericals are little difficult, so please listen each and every step carefully. Here I have written the two required formulas to solve such type of numericals. Number 1 is number of moles equal to molecular weight by empirical formula weight, and number 2 molecular formula equal to N into empirical formula. Here is the first question. Find the empirical and molecular formula. Carbon equal to 40%, hydrogen equal to 6.67%, oxygen equal to 53.33%, and the given molecular weight is 180. Now to solve these types of numericals, you need to draw a table like this. Elements, percent, atomic weight, relative number of atoms, and simplest ratio. Name of the elements are given in the question. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Percent is also given in the question. 40%, 6.67%, and 53.33%. In atomic weight, you will write their mass number. Mass number of carbon is 12, mass number of hydrogen is 1, and mass number of oxygen is 16. Now, to calculate relative number of atoms, you have to divide percent with atomic weight. By dividing percent with atomic weight, you will get the relative number of atoms of each element. For example, here the relative number of atoms of carbon is 3.33. For hydrogen, it is 6.67. For oxygen, it is 3.33. Once you will complete calculating the relative number of atoms of each element, the next thing you need to do is to find the least possible number among these. For example, here the least possible number is 3.33. Now, to calculate their simplest ratio, we will divide the relative number of atoms of each element by the least possible number. For example, in case of carbon, 3.33 divided by 3.33 equal to 1. For hydrogen, 6.67 divided by the least possible number, that is 3.33 equal to 2. For oxygen, 3.33 divided by 3.33 equal to 1. So we have calculated the simplest ratio of carbon equal to 1, hydrogen equal to 2, and oxygen equal to 1. Now, by using their simplest ratio, we can find the empirical formula of the compound. There are three elements in the compound: carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. And we have calculated their simplest ratio 1 to 1. As you know, we don't write 1 in the subscript of the elements, so we will write CH2O instead of writing this one. So here is the empirical formula of the compound CH2O. Next thing is to find empirical formula weight. Like the way we find molecular weight of a compound, similarly we will find the empirical formula weight of the compound. Mass number of carbon is 12 plus mass number of hydrogen is 1 into 2 plus mass number of oxygen is 16. So the empirical formula weight of the given compound is 30. Next thing we need to find is number of moles, N. Number of moles equal to molecular weight by empirical formula weight. Molecular weight is given in the question. It is 180 and empirical formula weight we have calculated 30. So N equal to 180 divided by 30 equal to 6. Now Molecular formula. As we know, molecular formula equal to n into empirical formula. So n equal to 6 into empirical formula. Empirical formula is CH2O. So 6 into CH2O equal to C6H12O6.